If you have experienced a hang problem on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, in order to solve this issue you can perform a forced restart of the phone, which is pretty straightforward. You just have to press and hold the power button and volume down button for approximately 7 seconds until the screen shuts down. So I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons, there we go, and just keep holding both of them until the screen shuts down. Once it happens, you can let go both of these buttons and just wait for the phone to let it turn itself back on. Unfortunately, on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it seems that the phone may take even a minute or so to turn back on, but in my case, I was actually lucky, I guess, and it turned itself back on rather quickly. And you don't have to hold the power button to turn itself back on, to turn the phone back on, that is. The phone should be able to do that by itself. And hopefully the hang problem is now gone afterwards. Leave a like and subscribe.